where's the cow? Oh, here's the cow. Here. Can you put the cow on there? Cow. Oh, or this cow. Either one. Can you put one of them up there? Okay, it's a little different, but... Oh, uh-oh. Here, try again. Very good, you did it. What excellent balancing skills you have here. Yes, and disposal. Excellent. Can you put the pig up there? Can you balance him? Oh, yeah, that's true. That's bounce. Can you balance? Balance means to stay on there. Or something like that. Can you put him there? All by himself? You did it! Cow, okay. Where's the horse? That's fine. We'll work with the cow for now. Can you put the cow up there? Very good, you did it! Yay! Horse. Where's the horse? Oh, here, I need to get that right there. Horse. What's the sign for horse? Yeah.